Would you live here in 2050? What if your house wasn't just a home, but your car, your driver, your energy source, and your sanctuary on wheels? Minibus Sparkles picture a self-driving tiny home that doesn't just move you, but moves with you, unfolding like a transformer, expanding into a full living space, and carrying your entire world wherever adventure calls. Today, our homes feel static, locked in one place, piling up endless bills, and forever limited by space. They were built for a past world, not the future rushing toward us. With climate change reshaping coastlines, seas rising higher each year, and populations crowding into cities that can't stretch anymore, the homes we know today simply can't survive tomorrow's challenges. But what if your home wasn't stuck? What if it could move, adapt, and drive you into a whole new reality, where living has no boundaries? Now, let's step inside. Stepping closer, you feel the future unfold before you. The doors recognize you instantly, scanning your face, your heartbeat, even your presence. Holographic panels shimmer to life around you, casting soft glows that seem to welcome you personally. A calm, intelligent AI voice whispers your name, making you feel seen, understood, and expected. The doors glide open silently, and suddenly you're inside a home that feels alive, walls breathing, lights adjusting, spaces expanding as if anticipating your every move. You're not just entering a house, you're stepping into a living organism, a space that reacts to you, evolves with you, and blurs the line between reality and imagination. This isn't just a living room, it's a space that breathes and adapts to you. The walls shift effortlessly, revealing a golden mountain sunrise or a calm, starry night sky, wrapping you in whatever world you desire. Furniture folds, stretches, or vanishes entirely, reshaping itself to match your mood and needs. One moment it's a cozy lounge, the next an open space for gathering or play. Every detail responds to you, anticipating comfort, relaxation, and inspiration. Would you settle into a room that doesn't just exist, but evolves with your emotions, transforming your living experience with every heartbeat? Step into the kitchen, a masterpiece of automation and intelligence. Robotic chefs rise seamlessly from hidden panels, preparing your meals with precision, while the AI fridge monitors nutrition, ensuring every bite fuels your body perfectly. Counters and surfaces clean themselves instantly, leaving not a trace behind. Imagine simply saying, "Make me pasta," and within minutes, a gourmet meal appears, cooked flawlessly to your taste. Every appliance, every tool, responds to your presence and commands, turning cooking from a task into a seamless, effortless experience. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a living culinary ecosystem, anticipating your needs and adapting to your lifestyle. The bedroom isn't just for sleeping, it's a personal sanctuary. Smart glass transforms instantly, shifting from crystal-clear city skylines to intimate, private star domes, creating the perfect ambience for rest or reflection. Climate control adjusts seamlessly to your body temperature, ensuring every night is perfectly comfortable. Imagine your window turning into a serene ocean view on demand, waves gently crashing in your imagination, or the northern lights dancing across the ceiling above. Every element adapts to you, anticipating your needs, shaping an environment where sleep isn't just rest, it's rejuvenation. Wouldn't you want to wake up refreshed in a room that evolves with you? Here, wellness meets technology in ways you've never imagined. Step into a bathroom where water purifies itself endlessly, flowing crystal clear from self-cleaning showers that adapt to your preferred temperature and pressure. AI-powered aromatherapy fills the air with scents designed to calm, energize, or focus your mind, responding to subtle cues in your mood. Hidden spa modules sense your stress levels, adjusting lighting, warmth, and even soundscapes to rejuvenate your body and mind. Mirrors display holographic health insights, tracking vitals and suggesting personalized routines. This isn't just hygiene, it's daily rejuvenation, a sanctuary where every visit restores, refreshes, and prepares you for the day ahead. Here, technology doesn't just serve, it heals, nurtures, and evolves with you. A lounge designed not just for sitting, but for total immersion in entertainment. Holographic walls ripple to life, transforming seamlessly into a private 12K cinema, an expansive gaming zone, or even a live concert hall where every note and every visual surrounds you completely. The sound adapts to your heartbeat, the lighting shifts to match the mood, and the space reshapes itself effortlessly to fit the experience you crave. One moment it's a cozy lounge, the next it's an entire universe of entertainment. Here, your living room doesn't just host fun, it becomes a limitless stage for imagination, adventure, and total escape. Yes, even a tiny home can have a pool, retractable, self-cleaning, and heated entirely with solar energy. Imagine stepping into crystal-clear water, floating effortlessly while your house glides through ever-changing landscapes outside. The glass walls of the pool let you see the world around you as if suspended in midair. Surreal, breathtaking, and entirely possible, this is the freedom and luxury of tomorrow's mobile living. Park the home, press a single button, and watch it come alive. Walls glide outward silently, the rooftop lifts smoothly, and hidden rooms unfold like origami. In moments, a compact, moving pod transforms into a sprawling, luxurious villa. Every corner expands effortlessly, revealing spaces for living, dining, working, and relaxing. It's not just architecture, it's a living organism, adapting instantly to your needs. Your tiny home becomes limitless, proving that mobility and luxury can exist together, seamlessly, in the world of 2050. This home is completely off-grid, powered by solar panels, micro-wind turbines, and an intelligent AI energy management system. No rent, no bills, no limits, just freedom. Every system adapts to your needs, storing and distributing energy flawlessly. You live untethered, moving wherever life takes you, with a home that supports you completely. This isn't just independence, it's total liberation, redefining what it means to truly live free. What if your home could shift its shape to create new rooms instantly? What if your ceiling turned transparent to reveal the stars? What if your home learned your lifestyle and upgraded itself over time? Standing here, you realize this isn't just a house. It's freedom embodied, mobility made real. Every wall, every system, breathes and adapts, responding to your presence. It's a living organism, designed not just to shelter you, but to ensure survival, to evolve alongside humanity. This is more than a home. This is the future taking shape before your eyes. This was one glimpse into the homes of tomorrow. Would you live in a tiny home that drives itself? Minibus Thought Balloon. Tell us in the comments, and if you loved this journey, like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic tours. And next time, we'll dive even deeper. Imagine a smart home built under the ocean itself. Would you dare to live there?